Nakapag-coffee break ka na ba?
In this video, we will learn how to grow dragon fruit in a container. Dragon fruit propagation is possible either from seed or stem cuttings. Propagation from seed is less reliable and will require patience, as it will take 3 to 5 years for fruit production, while cuttings will grow rapidly and may produce fruit within 9 to 12 months only. Before you make a cut, make sure that the pruner or scatier is clean. Cut 6 to 10 inch long cuttings from the mother plant. Let them callus or dry out for 2 to 3 days. Place the cuttings in a dry area away from direct sun. To start your cuttings, take a medium-sized pot, put some stones at the bottom for drainage. For the soil mix, take compost, sand, you can also use perlite, and garden soil in equal proportions. Mix well before use. Fill the pot with the soil mix. Keep a gap of 1 to 2 inches between the rim of the pot and the soil surface. Now make a 2 to 3 inch deep hole at the center and gently place the bottom part of the cutting into the hole. Firm the soil around the stem to provide some support. Water well. Keep the pot in full sun for better growth and add water whenever soil is completely dry. You can also propagate dragon fruit from seeds. Cut a dragon fruit in half and scoop out the seeds. These black dots are the seeds we are looking for. Wash the seeds in water and place them on a paper to dry out for 2 to 3 days. Fill a pot with compost, sand and garden soil in equal parts. Moisten the soil mix. Sprinkle the seeds over the soil surface. Now lightly cover them with the soil mix and gently press the soil with your hand to make proper seed and soil contact. Propagation from seed is less reliable and will require patience, as it will take 3 to 5 years for fruit production, while cuttings will grow rapidly and may produce fruit within 9 to 12 months only. After 60 days, you can transplant the cuttings into a bigger pot. I have 2 other cuttings which are 100 days old, and these are purple variety plants. And today we will plant these cuttings. As the name Night Blooming Cereus indicates, dragon fruit only blooms at night and lasting until mid-morning the next day. Flower will only bloom for one night and peak time is from 1 am to 3 am. Many varieties are self-pollinating. If it's not, you can try hand pollination. Collect pollens from the anther or male part of the flower and put it on the stigma or the female part of the flower. Dragon fruit is a tropical to subtropical plant that needs heat and sun for its healthy growth. You can tell that a dragon fruit is ripe when the skin turns red or yellow depending upon the variety. Twist the fruit until it breaks free.